check the car. As usual. Thank goodness her ass ain't right here. I don't even know if y'all can see it. There it is. Yeah, because the sun's shining bright in my eyes. Hey, stay your ass over here. She needs to park next to... Remember, he needs to come park next to her. Or whoever this is. Park directly next to her. Who put this damn bag right here? Just putting that bag next to people. Shit, look at this. The hell? That is not my bag. I had nothing to do with it. This is why you go check your shit. This is why living in these apartments, you go check your shit. Because people be sitting shit by people's car. They sit shit by your car, don't even know you. Don't give a shit or half a fuck nowadays. That's another reason why.